In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop promotional emails on Gmail easily. We all know that our inboxes can get cluttered with promotional messages, and it can be overwhelming trying to find the emails that really matter. But don't worry, I'll guide you through the process of managing your Gmail inbox to effectively reduce those pesky promotional emails and help you focus on what's important. Let's get started. First, navigate to your Gmail account on your desktop or laptop. Look for the search bar at the top of the page. This is going to be your primary tool for finding and managing emails. In this search bar, type unsubscribe. This will bring up emails from various newsletters and promotions that often contain the word unsubscribe within their content. You'll notice that many promotional emails include an unsubscribe link as part of their standard format. Once you have your search results, skim through the emails and identify the ones you no longer want to receive. Open one of these emails and look for the unsubscribe link. This is often found at the bottom of the message, and it may be in a small or gray font, so keep your eyes peeled. Clicking this link will usually lead you to a web page where you can confirm that you want to unsubscribe from their mailing list. It's as simple as that. Now, let's move on to creating a filter in Gmail, which can automatically handle future promotional emails. Go back to the search bar and click on the arrow on the right side, which allows you to create more specific searches. In the From field, enter the email address or domain of the sender you wish to filter out. Once you've entered the information, click on the Create Filter option at the bottom right of the dialog box. In the next window, you'll see options for what you want the filter to do with the messages. To keep your inbox clean, check the boxes that say Skip the inbox, Archive it, and Apply the label, if you want to categorize these emails without receiving notifications. Creating a separate label for promotional emails will help you find them easily without cluttering your primary inbox. Finally, click on Create Filter to apply these settings. A quick tip before we finish. Regularly review your subscription choices and opt out of any that no longer serve your interests. Periodically managing your filters and reviewing your Promotions tab will ensure your inbox remains as uncluttered as possible. And there you have it. By unsubscribing from unwanted emails and setting up filters, you can drastically reduce the clutter in your Gmail inbox and keep it organized. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips on managing your digital life.